Silica gel packets absorb moisture, helping prevent mold, rust, and humidity fluctuations. And there are a lot of different ways you can use them. You can place them inside your medicine cabinet to keep your razor blades from rusting out after humid showers. You can also keep them inside toolboxes, china cabinets, and fishing tackle boxes to keep your items dry. They can also be used to protect books from moisture damage, or to dry out paper that's gotten a little damp. They can even be used to dry and preserve flowers, and to help your shoes dry faster after they've gotten wet. If there's high humidity where you live, you can leave silica gel packets on your dashboard where the windshield meets the inside of the hood to prevent your windshield from fogging up. Silica gel packets usually last up to 12 months, although they won't last as long if they're left out in the open air.